Connectors are the vital bridges in electronic circuits. In highly integrated fields such as industrial automation, automotive electronics, and telecommunications, they must deliver faster data transmission and more stable performance. Greenconn's high-speed board-to-board and wire-to-board connectors are engineered specifically for high-speed signal and power transmission. With a compact 1.27 mm pitch, insulation resistance of up to 10,000 mOm, and shock and vibration resistance up to reaching 2000 Hz, these connectors ensure superior reliability under demanding conditions. They are widely applied in industrial modules such as factory equipment, production line control, and large drive systems. Automotive modules including charging systems, battery management systems, and motor controllers, as well as communication modules such as portable monitoring devices, data loggers, mobile maintenance systems, and trackside or roadside monitoring instruments. High performance, high-speed transmission, high reliability, Greenconn high-speed connectors empower the future of high-speed interconnection.